I think Canto and Godiva are a great match. It's very simple to use, it's very reasonably priced, and it's just been seamless.
Canto has allowed us to store images so that people have an easy time finding items. It's very intuitive. People go on it and they find their way, and I can't say that about a lot of other systems.
I use Canto to make sure that the regions, the agencies, everyone that I work with have all the assets and elements right at their fingertips. It was very easy to make sure that everything is consistent. Canto is making my job easier and helping everyone make their jobs easier as well.
Everything we do is meticulously handcrafted. We take everything from beginning to end, fast, detailed, with amazing artistry.
As we've expanded into new channels and platforms, there's a need to bring everyone together. The beauty of Canto was that my team is not running around looking for images, so that freed up time for them. We are now able to put into that space all of the things that the marketing team needs and the creative teams need, and have people be able to collaborate.
We had a system that was very cumbersome. People who needed to use these images were not able to find it. I realized, okay, I have to find a better solution. I pinpointed Canto because ease of use and ease of training people. I wanted to take myself out of picture. Canto is the only company that I would recommend for asset management because the system is intuitive and it's easy right away.